This tutorial review will show you how to delete text messages on iPhone. In the Messages app, you can delete messages and enter conversation from your iPhone. To delete an individual message, open the Messages app, open the conversation, touch and hold a message bubble, tap on More. To delete an individual message, tap on this delete icon at the bottom left corner. And if you want to delete multiple messages, then select those messages you want to delete and tap on delete at the bottom left. Delete. This is how we can delete individual text messages. And if you want to delete an entire conversation, then in the message list, swipe left on the conversation you want to delete and tap on delete. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.